So the sound, we start with the sound. So the lung sound is what? Now, it's very useful in your daily life. Try it out when you want to say, I'm going to blow off. So what you do? Okay? It's just like a pressure and a pressure, and you let the pressure out. So release the pressure. Okay? The two sounds release the pressure is the lung sound and the heart sound. We also do that, Sometimes you, and already try to release the overheat energy, and we let release the heat. Okay, lung sound also release the excess heat and release the toxic and waste material in our body. So that is the lung sound and the heart sound. Okay, now, so the lung sound follow with what? Kidney sound. Kidney sound like we're blowing the candle, but it starts with chui and like wind blowing. Okay. So winter follow with what? Spring. The spring sound is what? Okay. Now, the spring sound follow with what? Summer. Summer follow with what? Heart sound. And the heart sound is when you're so cold, get the excess heat out. Get the excess heat out. Now the spleen sound is and the triple one more sound. You think you can remember the sound? Now, in what situation, in what sound, when you get angry, what you're going to use, what sound to do? Huh? Liver sound. Okay. Do maybe 3 times, 6 times, or 9 times. If you do up to 49 times, you should give him a punch. Okay. So do the sound. It will help you control the anger. And it actually transforming the angry into kindness. All this is just like magicians. Just like magic. Okay? You transform from one form to another form, one form to another form. Okay? And once you learn how to transform, will you afraid of negative emotion or not? No. We call what? Sin. So when we talk about sin, no, I don't want sin. And when we talk about sin, it's always connecting with what? Satan, devil. Okay? So we want to stone the devil. We want to nail the devil. We want to destroy the devil, right? So the more we destroy the devil, what happened to the devil? Huh? Get stronger and stronger and stronger because you give the devil more energy. You give them all the negative energy, so the devil grow bigger. Okay? So no way. The more negative you give it toward the devil, the more the devil grow. So why you want to make the devil grow? Why don't you make yourself grow? So turn the angry, turn the hatred, turn the negative energy into life force. So some of you started to experience this, or not? How many of you think you started to experience, hey, I have the power over my emotional? You see your hand? Oh, okay, so we don't need to kill the devil. Okay. So the first sound, the inner smile that we do, the smile. Okay, we smile first, from the heart radiating out to the organs. So the first sound, we call the lung sound. So the lung sound, the position is inhale, you come up, and you turn your hand up. And the sound is S. Okay? So let's try again. So we're going to start with, so this one combined with the inner smile and the deleting of the emotional. Okay? So so you get the procedure, everybody? First, you feel the emotional. So it's very simple. When you feel the emotional, you turn on the fire. You get that? Okay? You think something or you see something, and it have a link into your emotional. Boom! You go in and access the file in the hard disk. So you're in the file already now. When you have that emotional. So when you feel that emotional, you don't have to feel very extreme. Feel it. That's enough. You're already in the file. Okay. So what you do? You press the delete key. You highlight first. Highlight. Press the delete key, and it asks you, "Are you sure? Yes or no?" So you press no, right? No. You press yes, right? You press yes. What happened? Gone, and it go to we call the bin, the garbage bin, recycle bin. So you have to go in and empty the bin also. Okay. And after that, you have the file name in the brain. You're already in the file. You come up, you're still in the file. You come out, you still highlight the file. All you have to do is press delete and say yes. It's gone. Okay? So you finish. After you delete them, what you need to do? Put back good emotional in. Okay? So each organ you go back to put back good emotional in. You get that? Procedure down? Okay? So we do the sound help, and the thinking of the organ help. Okay? So so the very important part, you have to understand that you have the power. You have the power. Okay? It's very painful that you don't have the power, and you have to ask God forgiveness, or you have to confess to the priest, or you have to see the psychology. Okay? It seems like we are very helpless, and we cannot do our own problem. Okay? We need somebody. No. Your own problem, you have to solve it, not other people. So smile to your lung. See deeper and deeper into your lung. Any. See deeper and deeper into your lung. Any sadness, depression, lost feeling. Looking left and right into your lung. Left and right into your lung. Ten set. Now they do the sound inhale. Raise your hand up and turn. And the sound. And lower, turn your palm down, lower your shoulder. And smile to your lungs. White light. Left and right, if you need it again. Otherwise, we go into the brain, looking left and right into your brain 10 times. Delete the file name. Delete the file name. It's very simple, but you have to trust and believe it works. So let's do one small inhale. Raise your hand up. Turn. Push up. Turn your palm down, lower your shoulder, lower your elbow, and smile to your lungs. Now we're going to put back good energy, courage, righteous feeling, act in the right time and the right moment. That is the energy of the lung. Looking left and looking right. And 20 set and feel joy and happiness. And let's do once more. Inhale, raise your hand up. And look up. And the sound. Lower your shoulder, lower your elbow, and smile to your lung. I do the lungs, I do all the singing sound, I always belch. And that is a very enjoyable time. Some people yawning is also good. So there are 3 side effects. One is belching, one is yawning, one is moving the gap, boom, out. Okay. So yawning, I think better, or belching better. If everybody boom, 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 everybody is a lot here. Okay. So smile and really get in touch with your lungs and feel the lung grow with white light and radiate out like an aura to your whole body. Smile, feel the lung radiance out white aura. White aura. Really feel that it radiates out. When you're strong and healthy and you grow them, it's like aura and it's protecting you. Okay? When you're weak, the aura gone and the body weakened. Sometimes we let go we call the negative energy that we cannot compose. We recycle down to the ground. Very important part is feel that the negative energy go down to the ground. Okay? Negative energy go down to the ground. And the ground will recycling them and give back us more healing power. Okay? Now, the next sound is the kidney sound. Kidney, we also have 2, so easy to look left and look right. Okay? So, rub your hand warm. And cover your kidney. And smile to your kidney. And looking deep inside there is any fear, phobia, trauma, frightenness, scare. Looking left and right. Sometimes, when you started to look deep into your kidney, you feel very cold or very empty. That means your kidney is empty. And it's very easy, looking left and right. And started to wrap the energy around the kidney. Wrap the energy around the kidney. 10 sets. And the sound, the position you wrap around your leg, hold your hand like this, and wrap around your knee. And the sound, hand straight, not curved, hand straight. Okay? And feel pull tight on your back, and the sound. And inhale. And exhale. Cover your kidney. If you need more, sometimes the fear and phobia need 10, 20 sets. Keep on looking left and right and make your kidney warm. If you can make your kidney warm, fear is not there. Fear don't like warm. Fear like cold. Okay? So you're looking left and right. Feel your kidney getting warmer and warmer. And looking into your brain, left and right into your brain. Delete the file name. Now, let's do the kidney side again. Inhale. Look up. And the sound. And inhale. Cover your kidney. Looking left and right. Putting gentleness, calmness, peace into your kidney. And inhale. Tighten your kidney. Feel your kidney tight. And look up. And the sound, make your mouth round. Inhale. Cover your kidney. And smile. Feel the blue light. Bright blue light in your kidney. And it started to radiate out a blue aura out of your body and protecting you. Wei Qi make up so much about the kidney energy. The kidney essence, the Jing, make up a big portion of the aura. Really feel that your kidney getting warmer and warmer now. And rest. The next sound is the liver sound. Okay, so the liver sound, so the position of the liver is you interact your arm, and you turn up, and you lean a little bit to the left side, little bit to the left side, and you feel your stretch on your liver, okay, and you do the liver sound, okay, so that's. Smile to the liver. See any angry, any jealousy. When you see or hear the person, you feel angry or jealous. That is affecting your organs, operation system so much. Delete that memory out so it's not affecting you anymore. Looking left and right into your liver. Now, you think it's very simple. You don't have even think that it delete or not, but you keep on doing that, it delete themselves. Inhale, raise your hand up, interact your arm, turn, press up, lean a little bit to the left, and the sound. And inhale. Smile to your liver. Again, inhale. Raise your hand up. Interact your arm. Press up. Stretch up and lean to the left a little bit. And the sound. Let anything you cannot be composed, recycle down to the ground. And smiling down to your liver. Smiling down to your liver, looking left and looking right. Delete the file name in your brain. And again, inhale, raise your hand up. Turn, press up and looking down, looking into your, see you can get any emotional out, recycling them. And coming down, cover your liver. Kindness, generosity grow in your liver. Negative go faster than the positive, so you need to grow the positive. The negative, you don't have to worry, they always grow so fast. And rest. So the heart. They always go together, the heart and the small intestine, the liver and gallbladder, the lung and the large intestine. They always go one pair. Okay? The most important part, as I mentioned many times, you have to remember when you can picture your heart, you get the right country code. When you can smile into your heart, you get the city code right. And when you feel the good emotional and the sound, you get the number right. So you definitely get in touch with it, okay? So the whole way of the Tao practice is go get in touch with your own organs because they store the soul and your spirit. Is the most important thing in our life, okay? And that is very important to get in touch with yourself. That's why the Tao practice is different because you have to really get in touch with your own self. It's very different from that, just everything is out, everything in your mind is out, and you forget yourself. Okay? So the heart, picture and smile to your heart, get in touch with your heart, and look deep inside there, any hatred, any impatience, any hastiness, or anything that affecting you, anything that intimidates you, anything that make your high blood pressure, anything that make your heart beat faster. All this going to make you a very bad health. So looking left and right. We emphasize on the right side. Okay. So inhale, raise your hand up, interact your arm, and press a little bit hard, tighten on your left side and lean to the right. And the sound, whole sound. And coming down, smile to your heart. Delete the file name in your brain. And feel so deep into your heart and feel that you know you have a power overcome the emotional. Not the emotional running you. Not the emotional are running you. And Inhale again. Raise your hand up. Interact your arm. Turn. Press harder on your left hand side and look up. And inhale. And to your heart. Radiate out the red light. Feel the red bright. Feel your heart grow with bright red light. And from the heart, started to shining and radiate out to your body. A red aura, very powerful, go against all the bacteria and virus and germ. Feel your aura. Lung, white aura, out. Kidney, blue aura, out. Liver, green aura going out. And the heart, red aura. And just smile around you and feel a very strong aura. And just listen and feel. If any bacteria hit you, it bow back. It's just exactly like all the space story. They can generate our aura protecting the spaceship. Okay? It's the same. We have the aura. Now, the spleen, the stomach, the pancreas. Okay? One thing about the Tao is that you have to really understand the function of the organs, the emotion of the organs, and what they do. Okay? And you have to have the best thing of the Western anatomy is they are so good now. Okay? In the olden time, the Tao master dreaming of, dying of to look at the organs. There's no way to see them. Okay? They even one time they dig the grave after the people die. And they are written in the history, and they said that this is the very bad and bad black magic. Okay? But the Tao master, they want to see how the organ look like. They always smile to them, but they cannot take their own organ and look at themselves. Okay, so they have to look at the other people's organ. So the best thing you have now is like we call the grandmaster, and their anatomy book. The best thing for yourself is buy a simple children anatomy book. Children, but actually sometimes it's not children. They give a lot of information that adults sometimes don't know. Okay, so children anatomy book, very simple, but very exact. They have the picture, have everything. And when you close your eyes, you picture them. You see? And this is your temple. This is your statue. This is your synagogue. This is your churches. Okay? So that is so important. You need to have a view and picture. If you can picture it, you get in touch with it. You get the right address, you get the right country code, you get the right city code, you get the right number. Boom, you call, you get connect. That's it, okay? Spleen. Left and right. Worry, anxiety. Worry and anxiety. Looking left and looking right. Ten set. Delete the worry or anxiety. Worry and anxiety is very mind emotional, by ongoing every day and eat the whole, everything, they eat them all. Worry and anxiety eat everything. The whole piece of iron is to eat them all. Worry. It's a very ongoing, very strong, but consistent. Worry, 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 anxiety. Smile. Delete the worry, anxiety, and mistrust. Now, the spleen sound, if you press here, inhale, under the rib cage on the left hand side. Who sound? And inhale. Gather the chi. And smile to your spleen, pancreas, and stomach. And delete the file name in your brain. Looking left and looking right into your brain 10 sets. And inhale. And exhale. Bend down. Your finger go deeper under your rib cage. Under your rib cage. And inhale. And exhale. Smile to your spleen, pancreas, and stomach. Put back openness, fairness, and trust energy into your spleen, pancreas, and stomach. The spleen sound are very powerful, improve the digestion. Okay, very good, very powerful, improve the digestion. Okay, and feel the yellow light grow, and expand out your body. Yellow light, yellow aura, growing and growing. The last sound is the triple warmer sound. We have upper, middle, and lower. So usually you're laying down on the floor, or you can sit back, or you lay down on the bed. Okay. So this sound in the text written down very clear that very good for sleeping. Okay. So and the theory is that if you make your head cool, your heart cool, and the lower part warm, you sleep very easy. Okay. So if you cannot sleep, you do this sound, you should be sleep easier. And if you still cannot sleep, do it until you sleep. Come on, do it. So inhale, exhale. The he, and feel your head cool down, your heart cool down, and the lower part warm up, and feel the negative and sick energy out of your toes. Feel the negative, cloudy, gray color, sick energy out of your toes. Okay. Again, inhale, smiling, exhale. Cloudy, gray color, sick energy go out of your toes. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Yeah, they started to sleep now. When you started to yawn, you know. When you're calm and cool and you're yawning, you're sleeping. And if you do this ticking sound every night, you have very little dream, especially bad dream. Because this is the way to, we call confessions. And in the way of the Tao, we say you get rid of negative emotional, get rid of the negative feeling, so you don't hold in your brain and in your mind. And when the emotional hold in your organ and the brain, you get to have nightmare and bad dream. You see? Okay? Inhale and exhale. Nice and warm. Nice and warm. Okay?